Have you ever wondered how much money the richest people in the world actually have? And how quickly those numbers can change? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of billionaire net worth. With a surprising twist, Mark Zuckerberg just overtook Elon Musk as the world's third richest person. So, what's going on with their company's stocks? And how did the tides turn so quickly? Let's break it down. A strikingly similar pattern in stock price performance has propelled Mark Zuckerberg ahead of Elon Musk to claim the title of the world's third richest person, according to Bloomberg data. As of Wednesday, Zuckerberg's net worth stood at $175 billion, narrowly surpassing Musk's $174 billion. This gap is expected to widen on Thursday, with Tesla shares falling to a new 52-week low, while Meta platform stock continues its ascent toward record highs. Since the beginning of the year, Zuckerberg has seen a $47.3 billion increase in his net worth, while Musk has experienced a $55.2 billion decrease. This decline has resulted in Musk sliding from the position of the world's richest person to the fourth richest. Musk's fortune surpasses Bill Gates' $149 billion, while Zuckerberg trails behind Jeff Bezos' $203 billion and Bernard Arnault's $221 billion net worth. The change in fortunes for Musk and Zuckerberg is primarily driven by the performance of their individual stocks. Meta Platforms has seen a remarkable 43% surge year-to-date, whereas Tesla shares have declined by nearly 40%. Strong fourth-quarter earnings, the introduction of a new dividend, and increasing investor optimism about the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on Meta Platforms' core operations stand in stark contrast to Tesla's decelerating sales growth, diminishing profit margins, and the significant strategic shift towards robo-taxis. Zuckerberg's wealth is heavily tied to Meta Platforms stock, with the Facebook co-founder holding approximately 13% ownership in the social media giant. This differs from Musk, whose wealth stems from diverse ventures including Tesla, SpaceX, and X. Musk and Zuckerberg have previously clashed, with tensions escalating to the point where both agreed to settle their differences in a cage match last year. However, the anticipated fight never materialized. Delving deeper into the Tesla tailspin. For most of 2023, Elon Musk reigned supreme as the third richest person. Tesla's stock price soared to unimaginable heights, fueled by optimism about electric vehicles and Musk's larger-than-life personality. But then, things started to shift. Several factors contributed to Tesla's stock decline. Production issues, increased competition in the electric car market, and even some of Musk's own controversial tweets all played a role. As Tesla's stock dipped, so did Musk's net worth, which is heavily tied to his company shares. Let's dissect the Tesla tailspin a bit further. Remember, it wasn't just one thing that caused the stock to drop. Here are some key factors. Traditional automakers like Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen are no longer sitting on the sidelines. They're investing heavily in electric vehicles, offering consumers more choices. Tesla has faced challenges ramping up production at its new factories in Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. These delays have frustrated investors who were expecting higher delivery numbers. Elon Musk is a busy man. He's CEO of not just Tesla, but also SpaceX and Neuralink. While his ambition is admirable, some investors worry he might be spreading himself too thin, potentially neglecting Tesla at a critical time. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk is known for his outspoken nature, particularly on Twitter. Some of his tweets have landed him in hot water, creating negative publicity for Tesla and causing some investors to lose confidence. It's important to note that Tesla still has a very loyal following and a strong brand image, but these recent challenges have undoubtedly taken a toll on the company's stock price and Elon Musk's net worth. Meta's Metaverse momentum. While Tesla was hitting the brakes, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, was quietly putting the pedal to the metal. Mark Zuckerberg's company has been all in on the Metaverse, a virtual reality world with vast potential for social interaction, gaming, and even work. Investors seem to be buying into this vision. Meta's stock price has been steadily rising as the company invests heavily in Metaverse technology and partnerships. This positive momentum has significantly boosted Zuckerberg's net worth. Despite the challenges, Meta's focus on the Metaverse seems to be resonating with investors. The company is actively developing the technology, forging partnerships, and acquiring VR studios. Whether the Metaverse lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but for now, it's propelling Meta and Mark Zuckerberg towards the top. Beyond the billions. It's important to remember that this isn't just about a personal rivalry between two billionaires. It's a story about two very different companies navigating a complex and ever-changing technological landscape. Tesla is facing established car manufacturers who are also ramping up electric vehicle production. Meta, on the other hand, is creating a whole new platform with the potential to disrupt how we interact with technology. The success of each company hinges on their ability to execute their respective visions. While the changing fortunes of Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg are captivating, it's important to remember the bigger picture. This isn't just a story about two billionaires, it's about the contrasting business models of Tesla and Meta. The key takeaway here is that both Tesla and Meta are operating in a dynamic and competitive environment. The companies that can adapt to changing consumer preferences, technological advancements, and market forces will be the ones that thrive. Tesla needs to prove they can maintain their innovative edge while scaling production. Meta needs to demonstrate the viability of the Metaverse and build a platform that's accessible and secure. It's a race for both companies, and only time will tell who emerges victorious. A glimpse into the future. The wealth rankings of the super rich are constantly in flux. Stock prices go up and down, companies evolve, and new industries emerge. Today, it's Zuckerberg on top, but who knows, maybe tomorrow, it'll be someone new entirely. This constant shuffling at the top reflects the dynamic nature of the business world. The companies that can adapt to change and stay ahead of the curve are the ones that will thrive. The recent shift in rankings between Zuckerberg and Musk is just one chapter in a much larger story, the constant shuffle at the top of the wealth pyramid. Think about it, just a few years ago, Jeff Bezos was the undisputed richest person in the world. Before him, it was Bill Gates. These continual changes highlight the ever-evolving nature of wealth creation. Regardless of the specific industries that boom, one thing's for sure, the race for wealth at the top will continue. Companies that can adapt, innovate, and capitalize on emerging trends will be the ones that survive and thrive, propelling their founders to the top of the billionaire leaderboard. So, will Zuckerberg hold on to his third place ranking? Will Tesla bounce back? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the race for wealth at the top is always an exciting one to watch. Thanks for joining us today. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. Thanks for watching.